So you want to start your life being a badass. Good for you. That's that. You deserve it. You've been through a lot of bullshit. You deserve a brand new chapter. You deserve a brand new journey. You know, it doesn't have to be hard. Instead, with these tips, you'll be a badass faster than you know it. And that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell like you hit the whoa. Okay, so first things first, you gotta believe that you're a badass. If you don't think that you're gonna be the best version of a badass, it's gonna be over before you even know it. It's gonna be over before you even start. Have the ability to say, you know what? I'm a badass. My own version of a badass. And you know what? That's pretty badass. Over saying some bullshit like, I think I could be a badass. You wanna change yourself for the better? It starts with your mind. Second thing you wanna do is remove toxic people from your social networks and IRL. Now, this could be hard. No one said this part could be very easy. We all have those family members, those friends that are just, you don't wanna like hurt their feelings. But ask yourself this question. Is your happiness based on other people's action and on how they hurt you mentally, physically, or even emotionally? Or even if they don't do that and they just have this bad negative vibe, is your happiness worth it? It can be difficult to unfriend, unfollow, or even stop talking to those people. But you're starting a brand new life. Leave all that shit to the past. No. Do you want to carry all of that bad shit, negative shit, toxicity shit to you with the brand new life that you're trying to create? No, of course not. So tell that bitch, be gone. Talking to new people and trying new things is a great way to start building that fresh new life that you're trying to create. With all of that negative, toxic people that you got rid of, it's a great opportunity to replace them with new, positive, optimistic human beings. Starting a conversation would be super easy, especially when you're trying something new. You found a new bookstore that you're interested in, they have other people that will be interested in the same book as you. You can talk about the main character, the plot. There's so many interesting things to start a convo. And I actually made a video of how to start a convo with literally anyone. You can definitely check out that video, linked somewhere up here in the corner of the video. Yeah, so if you want more help on that, you can definitely check that out. I sound like I'm a recurrent freaking decimal right now. And get this, solo adventures are even great too. You don't have to be in an area or to do an activity to, you know, meet with people. Hey, if you like doing things solo, it's great too. The point is, you're not afraid to do something new and to try new things and to gain new experiences. And that is badass. Now, with all of this activities and meeting new people, it is very easy to get caught up with the Joneses. Badass don't do that at all. They don't do that. A badass goes at his or her own pace. Doing things to get validation from people you don't like, or even worse, to shit on other people, that isn't what badasses do at all. They don't. Also, for the record, don't let anyone force you to do something that you do not want to do. Everyone got a car and you don't? Cool. Do you. Everyone got the latest phone and you don't? Cool. Do you. Everyone is doing a trend that you don't really fuck with? Cool. Do you. Badasses learn every day when possible. We are living in a world where information is free. I'm talking about YouTube, podcasts, physical books, audiobooks, you name it. You don't gotta be a smartass and, you know, act like you know everything. But learning something every day can help you build that conversation development with other people. For example, I love watching the YouTube channels Game Theory and Film Theory, right? And I would have conversations like, hey, you know that Disney movie Dumbo? Did you know that in Dumbo, he wasn't actually drunk when he drank that champagne off the bucket? He was actually tripping on some shrooms. Or I would have conversations like, so you know that indie game Cuphead? Did you know that that's not actually milk or water inside their heads? It's actually something very crazy. For the record, I'm not gonna say that one. I'm not gonna spoil that one. You gotta check that video out for yourself. Just type in Game Theory Cuphead and it should pop up. The point is, the more you rank up your knowledge, the better. Okay, so when you're starting over, I want you to pick 5 things, okay? We're gonna call these things the 5 buckets of priorities. Now these things could be anything from family, friends, income, exercise or health, hobbies, right? Now the point of this whole 5 buckets of priorities, you have these 5 buckets, right? If anything doesn't align in any of those buckets, you have the power to say no. That does not mean you can be like, okay, I'm not doing anything, like it's good to help others. But if you know that it's gonna set you back a lot in whatever it is that you're trying to build, don't feel that you're obligated to say yes. Have that balance. I used to do this a lot. In the past, I used to be a people's pleaser. Every time someone asked me to do something, I'm like, I'll do it. That shit used to set me back so much, and I would never express how that felt. But yo, I've turned over a brand new leaf. If I tell you no, you should know, nigga, and stuff. Now, it wouldn't be right if you did all these things and you didn't change up your style. I mean, you change your mentality, you change your environment digitally and physically. You might as well just top it off with the change of your appearance. You can start going to the gym. You can start whitening up your teeth. It doesn't have to be anything big. And holy shit, I'm running late. You know what? Fuck it. You guys coming with me. You guys coming with me. Right now, we gotta go. We gotta go. Your boy's gonna do a transformation as we speak. And I got my friend to help me out with that.
I can agree with that. A lot of people make like a big goal and think like, I have to meet this big goal, and it's like, no, you can do something small, even if it's just, you know, taking out the trash every day or something. People fail to do it. Why? Because your expectations are so high, and then when you don't complete it, even in like, let's say you say I want to do this for like a week, and come like the 4th day you fuck up, like that's it, you're like game over.
Yeah.
It's like, no, like I feel like you should keep pushing no matter what. If you don't look good, you don't feel good. I know when I look good, I feel good. I'm cocky as fuck when I look good.
Now that your boy's looking all fresh, there's one more thing I forgot to mention. One of the best things you can wear is a good attitude. I mean shit, you want to change and start fresh with a sour ass attitude? Hell no. So smile. You're a badass now. If I'm gonna share with you, you're gonna be like, you better hit that wall. Cause I said so. Your time, my time, we time, us time. No time.
Okay.